Alright, so today we're making a sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. And I like to start off by heating my stovetop to about a medium to high heat, which it's already there. So I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetable oil, which is 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let that cook for about 3 minutes. Alright, next we are going to add our onions. And we're going to let those saute for about 3 minutes as well until they're nice and translucent and shrunk down a little bit. Now we can put it in. Alright, so the onions have become translucent, so we're going to start adding in our other stuff. We're going to go ahead and start with our water. And then our brown sugar. We're going to let that mix and settle in. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add our tomato paste. Doesn't look like much now, but this will thicken up and become a nice sauce here towards the end. So let's get this incorporated in here to thicken up our batter, or our barbecue sauce. Alright, we're going to add some honey in. Make sure we get all of it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add some Worcestershire sauce. Alright, we're going to add our salt. Our liquid smoke. And then our vanilla extract. Through this whole process, at this point, you want to be continuously stirring so the bottom of your sauce doesn't burn. Alright, let's add our seasonings, which is paprika, garlic powder, and freshly ground pepper. Alright, we're going to continue stirring up, seeing how the sauce is slowly getting thicker. That's all we have.